Hello brave hero. Today I'm drawing Bluey wearing a firefighter helmet so bright, holding a hose that sprays with might. The lines appear, the colors glow, a tale of courage soon will flow. But before the splashes cheer and play, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey fun will come your way. Would you like to be a firefighter for a day? Bluey found a helmet red, she placed it gently on her head. Look at me, a fire pup strong, I'll keep the town safe all day long. Bingo clapped. That looks so neat, with helmet shining, you can't be beat. Dad rolled over, a smile so wide. What's this game you've got inside? Bluey barked. A fire we'll fight, with hoses spraying left and right. She tugged the hose, it wriggled round, a dragon's tail upon the ground. Ready, set, let water flow, Bluey shouted. Here we go! A burst of spray shot high and tall, splattering laughter over all. If this big splash makes you giggle too, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey's stories can splash on through. Bingo squealed. I'll help you fight, together we'll spray with all our might. She grabbed the hose, the water streamed, like silver ribbons that sparkled and gleamed. Dad pretended, oh no, the fire! Quick, Bluey pup, spray it higher! Bluey puffed, her paws held tight, she aimed the hose with all her might. The spray went twisting, round and round, drenching the grass and soaking the ground. Bingo laughed, her fur so wet. This is the funniest firefight yet! Uncle Rad peeked over the wall. What's this splashing, big and small? Bluey waved. We're fire pups brave, the garden's safe, the day we save! Rad joined in, his laughter loud, pretending to cheer with a chanting crowd. The water sparkled cool and free, like rain that dances upon the sea. Bluey shouted, Mission done! No more fire, we've saved everyone! Can you spray with your hands side to side, like Bluey and Bingo and Firefighter pride? At last they rested, dripping and damp, pretending to rest in a hero's camp. Dad brought towels, soft and warm, to dry the pups from the playful storm. Bluey whispered, that felt so real, like being a hero with courage to deal. Bingo agreed. It's fun to play, pretend to save the town this way. Rad smiled kindly. You pups are grand, firefighter hearts in this happy land. If this adventure made you smile today, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey fun will always stay. So close your eyes, let splashes fade, dream of hoses and games you've made. Bluey waves, her helmet bright, she'll guard your dreams through all the night.